If you're a homeowner in Layton, Utah, you likely enjoy the comfort of a quiet, peaceful home. But with growing neighborhoods, increased traffic, and nearby construction, noise pollution can quickly become an unwanted part of your daily life. Whether it's the sound of cars speeding down Main Street or the hum of lawnmowers on the weekend, excessive noise can disrupt sleep, concentration, and overall comfort. One surprisingly effective solution? Installing a new, high-quality door. Let's explore how upgrading your door can significantly reduce noise pollution and help create a more tranquil indoor environment. The problem with older or low-quality doors. Many older homes in Layton still have hollow core or poorly sealed doors that do little to block outside sound. Over time, doors can warp or lose their seal due to seasonal temperature changes, making it easier for air and sound to pass through. Common issues with outdated doors include thin, hollow cores that allow noise to travel easily, poor insulation and weather stripping, gaps between the door and the frame, lightweight materials not built for sound resistance. If your current door vibrates when trucks pass by or you can clearly hear outside conversations, it's time to consider a replacement. How new doors help block unwanted noise. Modern doors are designed with sound insulation in mind, using advanced materials and construction techniques to reduce noise infiltration. Key features that improve soundproofing include solid cores. Unlike hollow doors, solid wood, fiberglass, or composite doors absorb and deflect sound waves more effectively. Thicker materials. Heavier, denser doors offer a natural barrier to sound. Sealed frames. Professional installation ensures that every gap is sealed with high-quality weather stripping. Multi-layer construction. Some sound-reducing doors come with internal sound-dampening layers or foam cores that further block external noise. These features help create a quieter, more restful home environment, especially in rooms near the street, shared walls, or busy entrances. Best types of noise-reducing doors for Layton homes. When shopping for a door that blocks sound, not all options are created equal. Here are some of the best types of doors for noise reduction. Solid wood doors. Heavy and naturally sound absorbent, these are a great choice for front entries and interior rooms like offices or bedrooms. Fiberglass doors with insulated cores. Designed to be both energy efficient and sound resistant, they're ideal for Layton's variable climate. Steel doors. Often filled with polyurethane foam, these doors are dense, secure, and effective at blocking noise. Composite doors. These blend materials for maximum strength, insulation, and noise control. For exterior doors, look for products that are ENERGY STAR rated and specifically tested for sound transmission loss, STC rating. Additional benefits beyond noise reduction. A new door isn't just about peace and quiet. It also offers several bonus benefits that improve your home's overall function and comfort. Energy efficiency. Well-sealed doors prevent heat loss and drafts, lowering energy bills. Security. Stronger materials and modern locking systems help keep your home safe. Curb appeal. A new entry door can dramatically improve the look of your home. Durability. New materials stand up better to Layton's weather conditions, including snow, heat, and wind. With just one upgrade, you're enhancing both lifestyle and property value. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best soundproof door won't be effective if it's installed poorly. Gaps in the frame or improper sealing can allow noise to creep in through even the smallest openings. That's why it's essential to work with a local Layton door installation expert who understands how to properly fit and seal a door for both energy performance and sound control. Final thoughts. Create a quieter, more comfortable home. If noise pollution is disturbing your peace, installing a new door is a simple yet powerful solution. Whether you're blocking traffic sounds, noisy neighbors, or outdoor commotion, a high-quality door can make your home feel like a serene retreat. Don't settle for a home that lets the outside in. Upgrade to a modern, sound-resistant door and enjoy quiet comfort in every room of your Layton home.